Part 14, Eye Problems. Welcome to the lesson on eye problems. In this video, we will discuss causes and symptoms of eye problems and how to handle them. Common eye problems can result from direct blows, foreign bodies, or inadvertent scratching of the eye. Symptoms of eye injuries include immediate pain, tearing, changing eye vision, and redness. Bruising and bleeding can also occur. Handling eye injuries. Simple irritants such as dust or debris can be flushed using water. Any chemical exposure to the eye should be flushed with copious amount of water. Special equipment can be required to adequately irrigate the eye, so you should see professional care. If a more serious injury to the eye is suspected, call 999/EMS. Protect both eyes with a bandage or eye shield, because the eyes work in pairs, leaving one eye uncovered causes both eyes to move when the good eye tracks objects. Covering both eyes minimizes the movement of the injured eye. However, doing so leaves the individual effectively blind, which can be dangerous and frightening. Never leave an individual with both eyes bandaged alone. They will require verbal cues and reassurance about their surroundings. Seek help from an eye care specialist to evaluate these injuries. This concludes our lesson on eye problems. Next we will review head injuries.